Canberra for Cam's Mortgage Minute on Tuesday, November 27th. Hey, some breaking news. Bank of Canada Governor Mark Carney has unexpectedly been appointed as the next head of the Bank of England. This was announced yesterday. And Carney, who's only 47, takes the helm of the 318-year-old institution. Carney is ranked among the world's best central bankers and has high regard and high esteem in that by those folks. Mark Carney said he's willing to blow the whistle on any misbehaving banks. I mean, that's been his policy all along. His goal is to have a stringent banking environment that's well run. And he said he's honored to accept this important and demanding role. And according to him, he thinks it's a critical time for the British and the global economy. And it's a crucial point in the Bank of England's history as it takes on expanded responsibilities. Now, just a little on Mr. Carney's background. He worked at Goldman Sachs Group for more than a decade before becoming a policymaker in 2003 and took over as chief of Canada Central Bank in 2008. Carney, who had previously signaled he wasn't a candidate for the job, defeated bids from actually quite a few contenders, and he'll face an approval hearing at the UK's Parliament Treasury Committee before the new job, which now carries with it an 80-year term, and it's going to commence, basically July 1st, day after King steps down. Carney inherits an institution that has kept its benchmark lending rate at 0.5% since March of 2009 to aid the economy. And annual inflation has outpaced the central bank's 2% growth goal every month since the end of 2009, with consumer price rising 2.7% in October. The bottom line is that, it's going to be a challenging role because definitely the UK is having some issues, as is the European Union in general. And in addition to those new regulatory powers, Carney's also going to have to deal and wrestle with the bank's response to some reports that came out saying that its governing body is very hierarchical in culture, and it basically has just become a bureaucracy and has been bogged down. Anyway, Mr. Carney's legacy here will be some of those mortgage rule changes and basically the OSFI process and different things. And we'll see in the future how what he's done here is going to hold, along with, of course, our finance minister, Mr. Flaherty, and the dynamic duo there. We'll see what is the outcome of all the changes that have happened in basically the last 12 to 24 months. Anyway, best wishes to Mr. Carney. Obviously, a successful posting, a gentleman who's definitely on the rise and moving ahead. And again, it will be interesting where time tells of his legacy down the road, and we look back on this 3 years or 5 years from now, and we see what the impact of all the changes and the legacy of Mr. Carney's been on our financial economy and our country in general. Anyways, I'll see you tomorrow. It's been Cam for Cam's Mortgage Minute. And again, of course, if you need any mortgage needs, let us know. Cam the Mortgage Man, you can call us at Auxilium Mortgage. We'd be happy to help you out.